Hi. I'm Kella.
I'm Shannon.
And I'm Charlene.
We are the Igatnes.
Igat the hugaon.
Ikaw?
The
So we will introduce to you some members of the Igatnes.
This is April because
She can't live. She can't live without cell phone because she is texting with her boyfriend Ambaye.
PGA.
PGA.
Ambaye.
And this is
Mata.
yeah, Rochelle.
Mata.
Rochelle. Look at you, Rochelle. Look at And this is Era. Oh my god. And Raprisa is where is Raprisa?
Model.
Who are you?
That's Raplisa.
Yeah.
And who else?
And who else? Who else?
Shannon. Shannon.
hey.
Hair.
And me.
Me.
Apa! Daghan kag pinya.
By the way, they're just joking, you know.
You know Charlie?
The big hair. And you know Kella, the beautiful.
No.
No.
Gosh.
Yeah,
She's
I'm
a
beautiful, you know.
polka dot. I say that's her.
Trademark.
No, it is just not ordinary sickness that
She's a leaper. Okay.
slipper.
What's leaper?
Slipper.
Slide ka mo na dagat na. Dagat kag mga.
Oh,
Bye.
Bye.